Here are step-by-step instructions on how to add page numbers to a PDF in Acrobat Pro. Navigate to the Tools tab or panel. Search for Edit PDF and select it. In the Edit PDF panel, look for Header and Footer and choose Add. A Add Header and Footer dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, select where you want the page numbers to appear. Click inside the corresponding box where you want the page number. Click Insert Page Number button in the dialog. You may also customize the number format and starting page number using the Page Number and Date Format button. Adjust the font, size, and color as needed using the formatting options at the top of the dialog box. Specify the page range you want the page numbers to apply to. Click OK to apply the page numbers.